Thank you, Mheshimiwa Kirago, Your Excellency the President, our Deputy President, our Governor, and all protocols observed. Na wanafunzi na wazazi wa CHOCS, hamjambo. Your Excellency, I return to CHOCS with a lot of nostalgia because 29 years ago, I drove through the gate, or rather I was driven through the gate then as a young student of the Alliance High School. Yeah, I went to Alliance. And Your Excellency, as we were driven here, Your Excellency, in our very rickety old school bus, KAA 781P, we came to pick up the Form 4 class for an excursion to Kikrok Lodge in Masai Mara. And through that trip and back, Your Excellency, I met a young, beautiful lady from Taita. And Your Excellency, I must confess, as we cleared our KCSE, I was very hopeful. But unfortunately, this girl from Taita moved on to the US, and I lost her. But I was lucky. There's a quotation that we met at the University of Nairobi, and she stuck in my house, and therefore, I still feel Kotet is not so far from CHOCS, but I am still looking for that girl from Taita, wherever she is. And Your Excellency, is to tell you, in CHOCS, 29, 30 years ago when I was in school, there were very beautiful, intelligent young ladies. And today, Your Excellency, I can confirm, because looking around, I can also tell there are still young, intelligent ladies in CHOCS. And indeed, Your Excellency, the young lady who has walked you down from the administration block up to where you have planted the tree is testament of the intellect in this school. And when the principal says that they will be #1 in Kenya, I look forward to celebrating with them next year when they are #1 in Kenya with hard work. And we join them, Your Excellency, in celebrating their 100 years. And thank you, Your Excellency, because when we came back here in 2019 for a function of the Mount Kenya ACK diocese, you did promise a bus. And Your Excellency, thank you, because the boys from the Alliance High School now will not bring their rickety buses here. These girls have their own brand new bus. Your Excellency, I don't want to say more than that, but since Reverend Archdeacon Kamau has told you not to worry about the noise, na ni kweli kelele iko, Your Excellency, lakini vile mchungaji amesema, unga ni kusema hakusema, tulikuwa tunanunua 230. Sasa tunanunua 170 to 180 depending on the brand. Lakini kelele bado iko. Taxes, Your Excellency, you are now you have sent to Parliament your very first finance bill. And taxes were being paid before this finance bill. And taxes will still continue being paid beyond this finance bill. Yesterday, Your Excellency, you did call on those of us who are lucky to be earning salaries, to be respectful and to honor those who are not fortunate to have jobs and to earn a living. And you requested us, Your Excellency, to contribute to our national revenues so that those who have no jobs, especially our young people, through projects like the housing agenda, we may be able to create enough jobs for our young people and even young ladies like these ones in this school, that they leave these schools, university and TVETs, they are guaranteed that their future is secure. Your Excellency, as you campaigned, you spoke about the bottom-up economic model. And I want to confirm, having read the finance bill is addressing exactly the issues you spoke about. And you did commit that you have a tax policy that espouses most of the principles of taxation. Chief among those principles is a principle of fairness. And it is true, Your Excellency. Those of us who are fortunate to be earning big salaries, 500,000 shillings and above, are the ones who are being asked in that finance bill to contribute a little more so that those at the bottom of the pyramid are able to be catered for. And Your Excellency, sababu mimi ni accountant, nataka nikuambie the increment of 5% from 30% to 35% of pay as you earn. For people who are earning 500,000 shillings and above, not every Kenyan is earning 500,000 shillings and above. And because the political class, including our governor here, are earning 1,000,000 shillings and above, I want to confirm to you, Your Excellency, that those of us in your team and many others even not in our team who appreciate the role that you are playing in uplifting the economy of our country, we are ready and we shall pay that incremental tax to make sure that those at the bottom of the pyramid are able to get opportunities for employment and we create wealth for our country. Sitaki kusema zaidi ya hayo. Your Excellency, kwa heshima nimwalike governor wa Kiambu atuambie kama iko wakati alipitia chokes. Lakini nataka ni confirm, Your Excellency, hii shule is among our best schools in Kiambu County. And with that, Your Excellency, allow me to invite the Governor Kiambu County, Governor Kimani wa Matangi, to make his remarks. Thank you and God bless you. Na nitarudi siku ingine mimi, Your Excellency, wakati hauko, ili tukae na hawa wasichana kidogo.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, Excellency, our Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, Cabinet Secretary, Machogu, members of Parliament led by Majority Leader, Kimani Ichungwa,